What mankind's set of experiences meant for vegetation on the Earth today. The Earth's vegetation is changing at a quicker rate today than it has throughout the most recent 18,000 years, and researchers figure people might be an integral purpose for this. Analysts have discovered that adjustments of biodiversity and biological systems settled at around 4,000 years prior, yet it at that point started to change rapidly when human civilizations developed, prompting agribusiness and deforestation. The researchers associated with the examination, distributed in the diary Science, feel that these progressions will keep getting pace throughout the next few decades, because of environmental change achieved by people. Jack Williams, educator of topography at the University of Wisconsin-Madison in the US and one of the examination writers, said, "This work proposes that 3,000 to 4,000 years prior, people were at that point colossally affecting the world, and that proceeds with today. An uncommon plant has returned following 100 years. UK's greatest landowners need to plant more trees. We need to recuperate up how we've dealt with nature. Vegetation in Hawaii." Getty Images. How was the examination completed? The group examined in excess of 1,100 fossil dust records from the Neotoma Paleoecology database, which gathers information on past biological systems across each mainland in the completely different from Antarctica. They additionally took a gander at how the vegetation on Earth changed since the finish of the last ice age, around 18,000 years prior, and how rapidly the progressions occurred. Different plant species. Earth's biological systems went through uncommon changes at record pace toward the finish of the last ice age, as per the information, with plants developing quickly over what had been frozen seams. For most landmasses, the progressions topped somewhere close to 8,000 and 16,000 years prior, contingent upon the mainland, and afterward got steady due to having a more predictable environment. Sarah Ivory, an associate educator of geosciences at Pennsylvania State University in the US, and furthermore one of the examination creators, said, "Ecosystems were rearranging. A significant number of the megafauna, enormous or Goliath creatures like mammoths, disappeared. It's difficult to clarify all that without environment. Yet, at that point 4,000 years prior, more changes started in a fleeting ascent that proceeds with today." Jacaranda tree, downtown. Sarah said, "During the later piece of this period, there aren't significant environment changes, so it is almost certain human innovation that is dependable. The discoveries propose that the progressions seen in the course of the most recent 2 centuries probably started millennia prior, sometime before the Industrial Revolution during the 1700s and the ascent of petroleum derivatives in the mid-1900s. They caution that as more land is utilized for exercises like cultivating, and worldwide temperatures ascend because of ozone-harming substances, there are probably going to be a lot more changes to environments to come which may once more break new records."